So, disclaimer, I'm not saying the activity that occurred in this video is good or that it should be applauded, but I will say I understand. In Port Antonio, Jamaica, this hotel was burnt to the ground because the owners of the hotel basically put a policy saying that no Jamaicans could stay there. Only Chinese and Caucasian guests were allowed to stay and utilize the private beach. Now, it should be clarified that the owners of the hotel are not Jamaican themselves and are believed, I don't know for sure, but are believed to be Chinese investors from, China. Anyways, here's the video. Now, I'm not saying what they did was correct, but if you know Jamaicans, they do not take ish like that. So, what do y'all think? Were they right or wrong? Also, it should be noted that not a single person was hurt or injured in this incident, to my knowledge. If someone has other knowledge, feel free to put it down in the comments. Anyways, follow for more. Appreciate you.
Hello fam, 2 weeks ago I posted a video of a certain white lady who traveled to Jamaica to come and explore and also enjoy the resources in Jamaica, including the good beach and also the hotel. So this white lady happened to have invited her black friend who was in Jamaica to come and have some fun with her. But when this black lady went to that hotel, she was denied the entrance here to the hotel simply because that Jamaican lady was black. If you had a chance to watch that video, I posted it 2 weeks ago, so you can go back to that video and see the way that lady was being denied the access into the hotel simply because that lady was coming from Jamaica, and also she was black. That hotel was only allowing Chinese people and white people into that hotel. Also, she was denied an access to the beach, whereby they said that if she doesn't have a boat, she was not going to access the beach. But the white lady, when she went there, she never even had that boat, but she was accepted to go and use the beach. So in this video, we have seen an hotel in Jamaica being burned down because it does not allow black people who live in Jamaica to access that hotel. Also, that hotel, what wonders me is that it belongs to a foreigner who has decided to travel maybe back from his own country to come and invest in Jamaica. But when this investor comes to Jamaica, imagine he denies the people who live in Jamaica the access to the hotel. Can you imagine how that is completely insane? There's no way I can travel from my own country, or those people can come to my country and they deny me an access to the hotel. Maybe if I don't have money, or maybe I've not booked the reservation to that hotel, that is the only time that I'm going to be denied the entry. I've never seen such in my country, because that is serious discriminations. And one thing for sure that I know about Jamaicans is that if you disrespect them, they are going to disrespect you. And there are people who don't tolerate nonsense. Also, you cannot say that I've never seen maybe, or I've never had such a case whereby a Jamaica has moved from his own country, then he has or she has decided to go and invest in other people's country. Then when they invest in other people's country, then they decide like this hotel belongs only to Jamaican people. I've never seen such, because Jamaicans are people who love peace, are people who embrace unity. They don't like a war. They don't like when there's no peace. There are people who, when you mess with them, they'll mess with you. So that is the reason why I think these Jamaicans, they become angry, because how can you come to our own country, then you invest there, then you decide like you are not going to allow us who belong to this country to access that hotel. Also, there's a case that I saw somewhere. Also, it is the same, whereby also a black was denied an entry to enter into the swimming pool, because they felt like it was going to contaminate the swimming pool. So you can see the kind of hypocrites we have, because how can a black they treat you because of your skin color? That is uh, completely wrong. That is practicing what we call racism, and racism is a very dangerous disease. We should, the Jamaicans or those investors, they should call for what we call equitable treatment. They should treat people equally, the same way they treat those white people who come to that hotel. Is the same way that you should treat these also black Jamaicans who live in Jamaica, because there's no way this hotel belongs to all of people who live there, because you have invested there. One thing for me, if it was me, I could not have done such. Now, because if I have that enough money, let me say, and I want to maybe invest in my own country, I'm going to build a very big hotel, a very big hotel, and a very nice one that is going to be very eye catching to everyone. That is going, and I'm going to invite every kind of a person. I'm not going to discriminate anyone, or I'm not going to put these kind of rules that I don't want the blacks, or I don't want the whites. That is no good, because when you bring this equality, that is the time even your business grows. Because why should I deny such people from my country the access to the hotel? It's the same thing. These foreigner who had invested in Jamaica, he could have done, because you cannot just go to other people's country, then like you deny them access. That is completely wrong. Also, you should allow them to access their natural resources, like the beach. um, I've told you that there's a video that I posted 2 weeks ago, and I was really shocked. I saw this video whereby this lady in Jamaica was black. She was invited by her friend, who was who we find that she was a white. When that lady, that black lady went to that beach, she was denied, imagine, the entrance, because they looked just at her and they saw that she was black, and they decided like, no, 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 you are not going to enter. This beach only belongs to the whites. This is a natural resource that can never happen in my country. For sure, let me tell you, if you deny me access, that's a natural resource. That is a public resource that is being used by everyone. Because back in my country, I can access the beach anytime I want, even during at night, daytime. and I'm not limited to the access of that beach because I have the rights too. The only time that I'm going, maybe I'm not going to use that. The only time that I'm going, maybe is when I will be denied the access to use the boats because I've not paid for the boats. I'll only use the boats if I've paid for them, because there are also people who stay there so that they can earn. So these Jamaicans, they became angry because of this issue, and they decided that they are going to burn this hotel down to ashes, because Jamaicans are a people who don't tolerate nonsense. The Jamaicans, if you go hard on them, they'll go hard on them. So I want those people who live in Jamaica to tell me if this is true, if this really happens there, because to me this is a shock. So if you are in Jamaica, you can comment down below. I'm going to read the comments and tell me if such has ever happened to you, so that we can be in the this limelight and know what really happens in Jamaica. So thanks for watching. Until next time.